All right, so I came up with an idea of how to decorate it, and I just used a black jewelry wire, and I'm sorry, I don't know what it was. It was just a piece of wire hanging out in my stash box. So I put all of these beads on it, and then I twisted it all the way around, mixed it all up. Some of it's not got any beads on it. And then I did this at the bottom. And this is how I did that. All right. Now watch me not be able to do it. Oh, I'd be so annoyed. All right, I know I want that right there. And I don't want it to be the same as that one side. So I want like 3 or 4 of these. And then I went like this. I have my daughter's dog today. She's a mess. I don't think I'm going to have this big one on there. So I'm going to let these go. And you just do this. And I wanted it to be different, and I didn't want it to be both the same, so that's the reason why. That was my thinking. I don't know if I like the idea now. That's all right. Yeah. I might make it a little bit longer. Let's experiment. Let's see. Just move it around a little bit. I kind of like it like this. Because it's different. It's not the same. And I figured up here, I would just twist. So it will stay on there. Like that. What do you think? Is it nice? I think it's nice. And then on the top, I'm going to put these flowers. Let me reach over here. Oh, God. I'll probably edit that part out. So I have these flowers, too, that I was thinking about putting on here. Oh, that looks kind of cool, right? I might do that. I might do that. Maybe up here. No, that's too far up. That looks really cool. But how would it look on the side? Wouldn't look so pretty on the side, though. That is kind of an idea, though. Something just dropped. What am I gonna do? Let's see what else we got in here. Would this look? Oh, hey. That would look neat. And it looks good on the back side too. I like it. I think I'm gonna put that on there. How could I put this on there, I wonder? I don't think I want to glue it on there. Let's see what we can do. Maybe we can come up with something. Oh, I got an idea. What if we went like this? Took this wire. Let me curve it now. Oh, wait, I got an idea. Check it out. We could go like this, right? And then we can go like that. That looks like it'll work, and it'll make it kind of stick out too. And then I should probably twist it back here. Like that. And then I could get it to trying to decide where did I want it. Did I want it down here? Or did I want it up here? I wanted it down here. All right. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to twist it on this one. Like that. And twist it on the other one. And then I can cut those pieces off. I think I want it down lower though. I'm going to put it down lower. Just a little bit. Oh, and I'm going to show you how I did this flower too. Okay, I wanted it like that. So, let me go. Wanted it right about there. Where do you want to go? There we go. I think it's pretty much almost where I had it to begin with anyways. That's all right. Let's see. Oh, yes. I like it. I like it a lot. I might just say this is it. I think that's all it needs, because this right here, it's very sparkly. It's very shiny. It's got some glittery, shimmery stuff. You know what? I think I'm going to, because I was going to put flowers up here. I don't know if I want to or not now. Do I want to? Let's get all the lights on it. What do y'all think? I think it's cute, and I think I'm going to leave it. I don't think I'm going to put anything else up on the top, because I was really thinking that these flowers and these leaves. Do I need a leaf here? You could put a leaf there if you wanted to. I don't know if I am. Well, gosh, that kind of looks cool. I'm not sure. I like it without. I think if you put the leaves on there, it kind of takes away from the, excuse me, the, you hear that dog? She's so annoying, but I love her. And I'll do a tutorial on what I did with these. I think I might put that one up there. I think I will. Maybe I'll have the leaves up here. Oh, yeah. If you could see what I'm seeing from up here. Wow. Check it out. Yes. Yes. I'm doing that. I'm doing that. And all I did with these flowers is they were already made flowers like this. I bought them like that, and I just used those shimmerz sprays that I used on this. Regular paper flowers I bought at Michael's, and then some of them I sprayed with the shimmerz, and some of them, I think it was this one right here, I actually just made my own alcohol ink. I just cut the markers apart and put them in, took the inside things out and put it in alcohol, and I made my own ink. And I just sprayed it with this on here, and it, for some reason, it just came out shiny. So that's how I did it. And I'm gonna glue these on here right now. I'm just gonna use the fabric tack, and then we'll call this project complete. Yay! It's awesome. And then, like I said, when you go to when you go to clean these bottles, you just use the compressed air that you use for your computers, electronic stuff. It's always worked for me. Sticky. Reese is not wanting to take a nap. I don't think. That dog is so high energy. I'm gonna put a video of all of these dogs that are so crazy. They were being really crazy. Love my puppies. Oh, and these beads, they were just, oh gosh, it was just a variety pack. Let me show you. I'm trying to get this leaves to dry. The glue for the leaves. Yeah, it's just a variety pack like this. Yeah, that's how I use. And I did these gems too for the middle of the flowers. I just sprayed them with alcohol ink. That's how I made these. Doesn't come off. All right, which flower was I putting on? Oh, that wasn't it. This was the one. That's the one. I guess you could use hot glue on this to make it stay. If it comes off, I'll just put it back on with hot glue. So there's the project. I think it's cute. I hope you liked it, or like it. Hope you like it, and you come back to see some more of what I can make, what I'm going to come up with. I don't know what's next. I got to come up with something, all right? Every Thursday, a new video. It looks so different in the camera. I don't know why, but I like this flower on the top. You might not, you wouldn't have to, but I liked it. I just felt like I wanted something else on the top. I think it's cute. I think I like it. That poor puppy. She is so... She wants to get out. Here's the whole thing. Let's scoot back a little so you can see it. It's very pretty. I like it. All right. I'm calling it done. Hope you enjoy your weekend, or your week, or your whatever you're doing at the moment. It's Sunday for me right now, so we'll see y'all later. Bye. Bye-bye.